Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. So, I don't have a script today or anything, so excuse me if I ramble on a bit. And I know I said I'm going to stay away from the cameras this weekend, but I don't know. I love you guys. I couldn't stay away, right? So, I just decided to release sort of a Christmas special of Andy's Fire Club for you guys. And it has really nothing to do with Christmas, actually. So, what happened was, a while back, I actually won this Amazon return pallet that I was bidding on. So, in case you guys are not familiar with the background, basically, whenever you buy or sell something on like any online retailers like Amazon or whatever, usually if you return the stuff, they don't have the time and it's not really worth it for them to go through the effort to kind of restock it and make sure the thing works. So what they do is they sell it to a liquidation warehouse, and you and I as like common people can just bid on that pallet, they call it, right? So a pallet is just like a mystery box of goods. So you guys can bid on the pallet of like random return stuff, and then you can, if you win, then you can go pick it up and like kind of buy it for a low price, right? But the catch is that you don't know if any of the stuff is gonna work, or if you don't know, quite frankly, where you're gonna get, right? Because a lot of this stuff, they're not labeled properly and they're like mislabeled and whatnot. So anyway, so a while back I actually bid on one of the pallets and I won. So I teamed up with one of my friends named Tristan, who, fun fact, also has a YouTube channel. So I'll link a link down below in the description to his YouTube channel, and you can check it out if you want. He does like tech related videos, so it's not finance, but yeah, if you're interested in tech at all, he does like tech reviews and whatnot. So yeah, anyways, I picked up the pallet with my friend Tristan. Well, I had to go like pick him up, and then we had to like drive to the warehouse. So that's kind of like the footage from there. And at the time I didn't have my camera with me, like this camera that I'm using right now. So I was just recording on my phone. So apologies for the bad audio and the bad video. So this is my kind of first attempt at vlogging. So excuse me if it's not perfect. So if you guys are interested in like a day in the life of Andy, well, then here it is, right? Hope you guys enjoy. Oh boy, okay guys, it is like 7 o'clock in the morning, not even, right? I've woken up. You can see that that's the chair that I film all the videos in. So sorry the room's a mess, guys. I just have like stuff everywhere. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, basically I'm gonna go pick up my friend today, and then we're gonna go pick up the bundle, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so Alan, why don't you say hi to the camera?
Hi, I'm Andy's brother.
Yo, so like, you know that like Amazon bundle thing I was talking about earlier?
Yeah?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go pick it up today. Are you excited? There might be some stuff in it for you if you want. It's a couple of mystery items in it as well.
Alright.
Yeah. I never knew you got up so early. It's like 7 o'clock. Yeah, so your alarm's even like going off right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I have to go right now.
See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, well, getting ready to leave now, and you know what? I just forgot something almost before I left. I borrowed this book from one of my friends in Waterloo in first year, and then I forgot to return it to him until now. So I guess meeting up with him today for lunch, and then I'm gonna finally return that book. Never lend books to friends, guys. That's what happens, right? And I'm saying this from like the borrower's perspective, that you know, it's gonna forget, and then people forget, right? So then they're gonna never return that book. But yeah, anyways, at least I remembered, even though it's been like, oh, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years at least. Anyways, ready to head out. Hey, what's up guys? So we're on the road right now, and yeah, sorry it's a little cloudy. Unfortunately, I can't control the weather, so the lighting today might not be as great as I imagined. But yeah, as you can see, we're on the road, and it'll be quite a long drive. It's gonna be about an hour drive maybe, so we'll have to see where that goes. Anyways, I'll shut up right now and let you enjoy some of the B-roll footage. Yo, we got 3 boxes of stuff, mystery things. Yeah. Say hi to the Andy's
Hello.
Fire Club.
Hi.
Yeah, this is
Hi,
Tristan. Check out his channel.
Yes.
He has a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna
Tries.
leave his channel link down in the description down below. All right.
clearly the one with the 2060 in it.
Well, moment of truth. I wonder if we can get something good out of those mystery items.
Although I got you.
Oh, I see an MSI logo.
Yeah, this one's the
Oh, 2060.
2060. 450. What else?
I see a motherboard in there. Oh, I see the power supply.
Bluetooth audio receiver. That's interesting.
Oh, it's
Not
another
worth
motherboard.
$200. A vehicle black box.
Huh.
Oops. What's this? Ah,
The
our toughest
Bluetooth.
toughest headset yet. All right.
All right, that's one box.
I'm satisfied. Let's see. Alrighty.
Second box.
All right. What do we have here?
Is that the Blu-ray
That's
player?
the Blu-ray player.
Oh, who watches Blu-ray these days, eh?
Blu-ray player. All right.
All right.
What's this?
Oh, that's an M.2 drive.
No, it's not M.2. It's just SATA.
Oh,
But like it's you know what I mean.
no. Yeah, SATA M.2. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's an yeah. We got a whole bunch of expansion drives.
Oh, that's a 480 SSD.
Oh yeah. That's an SSD. 4 terabyte. What are you? 5 terabyte. Wow, we're just scaling up. Pretty sure we got like one of every size. We got 1, 2. Oh, we don't have a 3, man. Come on.
I don't know what that is. So
This is a 360 camera.
Oh.
That's pretty cool. A slicer.
Oh, getting some like home appliances in here too, eh?
What is this? Heck? Cordless headset. Oh, that's super useful. What the heck is that?
I can't tell if that was sarcasm or not.
No, that is 100% sarcasm. What the heck is this? I don't even know what the heck it is. Gravity
feed.
spray gun. All right. Cool. Smart things. Where the smart things are. More Nest stuff. What's this? That's some shitty looking headphones. And finally, we
Oh,
have.
damn. Another motherboard.
Yeah.
Gotta have them motherboards.
What the heck? It's a B360. That's an Intel? Oh shit.
Was that not on the manifest?
I don't think it was. I thought it was an AMD one that was in here, but it's apparently Intel.
Oh,
So I
maybe
guess
it's in
we
the
have
other
two.
box. We have another box.
Okay.
Let's check out the other one.
Yep.
The last one. Oh shit. All right, last box.
Let's go. Oh, Jesus. This one's a lot heavier than the other two.
That's good, right? We want the box to be heavy.
Could be good.
Unless it's like exercise equipment.
Yeah.
30 pound dumbbells.
Alright.
Oh yeah, no, it looks
Okay.
like
I'm
what
going
I'm
right
seeing
for the
so far.
Ryzen.
Oh shit, yeah, that's the
3rd gen, Ryzen
I
5.
hope that red dot doesn't mean that it's broken.
3600. Woohoo! I'm gonna take that out because I don't think we can see in here without.
Another motherboard.
This is also Intel.
Mm.
Clearly, I don't know motherboards as well as I thought I
Oh
did.
shit, they have a ton of motherboards, eh? That's like,
I think this one's Ryzen. Yep, this one's Ryzen.
oh, it got
I knew
a lot
this one
more.
was Ryzen. I just apparently thought the other ones were
Got a lot more motherboards than I was expecting. Yeah, this
4
is-
terabyte hub. What are you? This one's the 8 terabyte. That's another 8 terabyte there. Pocket projector?
Oh, so
What?
I'll have to see if that works.
Alright. I don't even know what the heck that is.
Oh, that's another hard drive, it looks like.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm looking at with this. Something USB-C. Samsung Core Plus is
There's a voice recorder. I have one of those actually.
Random headset. SanDisk Extreme Pro.
There's another hard drive down
Oh,
there.
that's spooky. This thing's gonna be dead. Stored like that, that's pretty sketch. I don't know what this is. What are you? Speak to me. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna do it. I'm breathing.
Okay, I see a lot of red dots on like red dot stickers, so I don't think that. Yeah, I don't think that means that it's broken, which is good. Unless everything we have is broken. Which
This is a portable SSD. Apparently, we got a bunch of portable SSDs. What the? Well, it's not our headset thing. So it's basically useless. A dimmer switch that doesn't work.
Oh, it says it doesn't work. Well, at least they tell us.
Roku.
Yeah, that one's probably a write-off.
Well, we'll see. We'll see how well it doesn't work. What is this? Oh, it's a Wi-Fi extender. Actually, that's pretty useful. I'm totally gonna buy that.
Oh, that's a.
Giant home speaker.
I guess that's where the majority of the weight comes
Yeah,
from. Right?
wow, that thing is heavy.
We got some good stuff actually, and a nice, decent amount of motherboards and whatnot, and less storage. I feel like
I
we
hit
have
my head on this thing like 6 times. It's just gonna be hitting my head.
The wind is pretty strong today.
Oh my god.
Hold it. Oh,
Just
hold it.
Hold it. I'm not looking closely enough, and I'm just bonking my head. All right. That thing's pretty heavy too. These.
Alrighty, that concludes our bundle unveiling. So we'll get back to splitting the bundle now. So goodbye. Say bye. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. So I'll leave the video here. Merry Christmas to you all once again. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. So I'll leave the video here. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links down below in the description as always. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.